Good afternoon, friends. Here we are, another adventure, another day of exploring. We are here today at Julian. Yay! It's about an hour drive from us up the 8 freeway. It is a little bit busy, but that's okay. We're going to explore. We're going to check it out. We haven't been here in about 15 years.
You haven't been here in 15 years.
I haven't been here in 15 years. It's been a while. So let's go check it out. Let's explore, see what's going on here in Julian. We're also joined today by our friend Nancy.
Hi. And baby.
And baby. He's hanging out. We like that pineapple hat. It's pretty awesome today.
We like that baby.
Okay, let's go check it out today. First place we're going to hit up is the Wolf Center. It's open, but they're not doing any tours today. It's on the corner of 4th and B here. And like I said, it is open. Let us go inside, see what it's all about. We got some jumbo pencils here. They all say California Wolf Center. These things are actually pretty awesome. I could use one of these for my desk.
Yeah.
Can't tell you how many Hello Kitty notepads I have.
But does it tie to a leash?
Best dog hikes.
This dog hikes in Southern California? Hell yes.
So far, our dogs are feral.
That could be our Halloween costume this year.
The wolves thrive, but something else very surprising happened. Their return had a spectacular effect on the landscape.
There's nothing wrong with the English bulldog.
It spread wider than any other chronicles.
Whoa, look at the dire wolf skull versus
Yeah.
the
How
grizzly
did this
bear.
all happen? In the past, wolves were seen as a risk to people and livestock, and they were exterminated from the Yellowstone area in the 1920s.
Wow.
The elk's main predator is gone, and their population more than doubled.
I got you.
All right. So there is a lot of cool stuff in there.
Thank you.
They're only doing tours Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. So we are going to come back eventually and do a tour of the wolves. It's about an hour long, and they said that it's roughly about $30 to do the tour. We may be back later this year to do a tour because we're all interested, including our son, to do the tour.
You went up here with a dog?
All right, so let's go walk around some more.
I do like to wash my hands.
So what they do have here are wash stations. Pump the water with your foot. Wow. A couple of cool places in here. we went to go check out Blue Door Winery. We had their red sangria and charcuterie board, and they have outdoor patio dining available. So you can sit out on patio and eat and drink. But it's a really cute place. The patio was nice and tiny. Very, very cool. Now we are headed over to Julian Tea and Cottage to go get some tea. All right, let's keep on rolling.
Next time. No, we have something to look forward to in November.
Yeah. Because it's 2-story and you go upstairs and like sell a bunch of stuff too. Orchard Hill Country.
Unfortunately, this place is actually going to be closed over here. Right here. It's closed today, so we're going to keep on walking around. I know we're going to have some pie a little bit later. Julian is known for their pie up here and their apple picking. There's also a gold mine that's up here. You can do a gold mine tour. We're not going to do a tour this time, maybe another time. The Julian Book House, rare and good used books. Here we go. Let's go inside. Check it out. Alright, so that's a cute little bookstore. Hello there, love. I see you. A lot of books inside, used books. Got a few new books. And if you're gonna be up here, I recommend going inside and checking it out because it is pretty cool. And I think now we're gonna go get some pie.
I'm not trying to get shamed for it.
Alright, so what do we get
I know
here?
I'm running out of
We got
room
some
with my.
pecan,
I have so many.
got a little bit of natural, and what are those?
Peach
Peach,
and apple crumble.
Mountain berry.
mountain berry,
No.
some ice cream on it. Got 3 coffees, and then we got a cider donut. That's all mine. Last place we're gonna go here is going to be the Julian Beer Company. Gonna maybe grab a beer. It's been a lovely day out here. So let's go in here and see what this place is all about. So that's gonna do it for today at Julian. I think we're gonna go by Lake Cuyamaca, maybe take a couple pictures, fly the drone, and that's gonna be it for today.
Go out to dinner.
Go out to dinner.
Grandpa's birthday.
Grandpa's birthday today, so we're gonna have dinner. Our next adventure maybe later this week, maybe next week. We're not sure what we're gonna do, but we're gonna have another adventure. But thanks for watching us. Like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. This is us for the Exploring Getty. We'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Bye.